What up, YouTube? Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Tam Bams. Today I'm going to show you how to make a loaded potato and buffalo chicken casserole. Just stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for today's recipe, you're going to need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, 8 potatoes, 1/3 cup of olive oil, a half a cup of bacon, crumbled. I think I used about 5 slices for this. 6 tablespoons of hot sauce. You can use whichever one you want. I use Frank's on mine. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, green onions, and your cheese of choice. I use the Mexican blend. Kroger is my favorite spot, and the prices look good in there. So if you got a Kroger, I think this was like $1.99. Go ahead and get that. You all the time, go ahead and wash those potatoes, wash that chicken. Everything needs to be clean before you even get started. Do not skip this part. Because people talking about they don't clean chicken, I ain't here for that, period. Okay, y'all, so I started cutting up my potatoes first. I recommend that you cut them up as small as possible, but again, it is your preference. I think the smaller the better, the easier it cooks. Your cook time will be cut down more if you cut them up smaller. If you cook, you already know that the bigger potatoes take a little bit longer. So I try to cut mine as small as possible. The thing about cutting up potatoes, I had to throw that one away, by the way, because it was some little circle in there. Probably was a little bug, and I wasn't with that. But cut them up small. I don't have a way to actually cut things up. I just do my own thing. Do it however you want. They're not perfect. Cut up your chicken, small pieces as well. Dice them up. I didn't pull out, the chicken comes with that little white pieces on there. Pull those off. You don't need that. Get rid of it. Okay, you're going to put all your ingredients into a bowl. Whatever bowl you got, go ahead and get that in there. But it needs to be big enough so you can add your potatoes to it. You're going to add your olive oil, hot sauce, pepper, salt, garlic powder, and paprika in this mix. And go ahead and mix that up until it's fully blended before you place your potatoes in it. This smells so good, y'all. I'm telling y'all. This is actually one of my favorite casseroles, by the way. All right, so now you're gonna place your diced up potatoes into this blend, and then you're gonna mix it up until every potato is fully coated. Make sure you get them all fully coated. It doesn't really seem like a lot of liquid, but to be honest, it is, because this is gonna be for not only the potatoes and the chicken. And you're more than welcome to add more hot sauce if you like a little bit more spice. I added a little bit more pepper because I like it a little more spicy, and that pepper helps. But if you're not into that, keep the measurements that I gave you and you'll be good to go. All right, you're going to place your potatoes into your baking dish. I use a glass baking dish, and to be honest, I didn't coat this just because I know this dish and I don't have problems. And with the chicken and potato mix, it creates like a liquid, so I don't really have problems with anything sticking. If you are not comfortable, put some Pam olive oil. Avocado oil has a spray. You can spray that at the bottom before placing it into your oven. And then you're going to cover it with some aluminum foil, or if you just have something that you can cover it with, cover it, place it into, I can't speak today. Place it into the oven at 500 degrees, preheated 500 degrees. You're going to stir every 10 to 15 minutes. You're going to see mines come up. I did this after about 15 minutes, and my potatoes were not cooked. My chicken was semi-cooked, and then I placed it back into the oven until everything was fully cooked. Okay, y'all, so after about 40, I think this was 40 minutes, mine was fully cooked, and I'm going to place the cheese on top and put it back into the oven for the cheese to melt. Cheese is completely up to you. I only use 1 pack. I've used more than that before, but I've only used one for this, and I think that it was good based on the amount of potatoes that I cut up and the meat that was in there. So after your cheese has melted after a couple minutes, take it out, and then you're going to proceed to add your green onions and bacon. And y'all, the funny thing about this night when I was making this video, so I made, you can see in the beginning of the video how I made the amount of bacon. My kids ate some of the bacon, so I literally had like crumbs left over to put in this. They don't care. They don't care about my YouTube lifestyle. They just ready to eat. Like my kids, when I say they don't care, they don't care. So somebody ate. I couldn't figure out who it was between the three of them. Somebody ate the majority of my damn bacon. So I had to just do what I do. If y'all ain't got this problem, yours gonna have way more bacon on the top because I really like that bacon taste when you eating it, and I really love green onions. It gives it like a nice little crunch when you biting into it with the bacon. I don't know, the combination is just amazing. But this is how yours should look after you place the bacon on it. All right, this is your loaded potato and buffalo chicken casserole. Thank you guys so much for your support. I am at 100 subscribers already, and I am so excited. I am thankful that people actually want to see what I'm doing. I'm thankful for the people that continue to watch. Happy New Year. I got heat coming for y'all. If you want me to make anything, please hit me in the comments. Hit me in the comments, say, I want you to make this. If you follow me on social media, you already know I get down. There's things that I do not create. If you want to see that, when you comment, just let me know, and if I get enough feedback, I'll do a video on it. But this has been an exciting and very interesting and hard process, but I am happy to be able to do this. My kids were the ones that were actually supportive and encouraging of me doing this, and I enjoy it. I really like cooking. If you follow me on social media, Instagram, The Truth 619, Snapchat, The Truth 619, I am always cooking something, and I don't really have no limits on what I can do. I'm going to throw in what I cooked for us for New Year's Eve at the end of this video, just so y'all can see what I did for us for New Year's Eve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time. Oh, before I go, hit the notification button so you can be updated on my new videos. But thank you guys again. Happy New Year again. This year is going to be way better than the last year. I know it's coming for all of us. Till next time.